Hey loves, I'm finally sharing how I created my fashion wardrobe wall. If you guys saw my Instagram and TikTok, I showed you how I accessorized it and came up with this concept. This is also known as an IKEA Pax Dupe, so here's the links, details, and more. Watch this. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. Today I am sharing more details on my little wardrobe wall. I know you guys have probably seen it in like a couple of videos, especially if you follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'm obsessed with this. This is like my mini version of a walk-in closet wonderland. Like, that's something that I just absolutely really hope to have one day. It's like a really nice walk-in closet with the, you know, built-in inserts and everything. So I decided to just make like a little wardrobe wall. Originally I started this project in the summer. I want to say like around June, and at the time I did plan on purchasing the IKEA Pax shelf units, but IKEA is like always out of stock, and I'm in Atlanta and they never had any in store, and then online like everything was pretty much out of stock. So me being me, I just decided to be a little bit creative about it and go a more affordable route as well, because originally the IKEA Pax shelf that I was going to make, like this exact similar unit, was going to be like around $1,800. I was prepared to spend it because like it was just something I really wanted to do for the longest, but believe it or not, this and the other shelf right there all totaled to like $350. I kid you not, because these two right here are bookshelves, and this of course is just a tall dresser. So you really can make this out of bookshelves. I know you guys have seen plenty of videos on YouTube or even TikTok that just describe that those shelving units are technically bookshelves in a sense. So all I really wanted to do was just display, you know, some purses and shoes and perfume, you know, just really have things staged nicely just to kind of make a wardrobe wall. So I'm going to share with you guys, you know, some details on the pricing, what I was going for, and you know, how to just stage up your pieces. Alright, so first things first, building the unit. Now, because my room is like a little bit smaller, I didn't want shelving units to kind of protrude too far out. So these are kind of like, I want to say only 11 inches off the wall, if that makes sense. Like, I hope that my measurements are right, but I'm going to try to find the exact links to these to post it in the description box down below for you guys. But I purchased these two, or actually all three of these were from Walmart. Now you can get similar bookshelves like this from Target or anywhere that pretty much sells bookshelves, and I did go with white because I just felt like it matched my bedroom interior. My bedroom interior is pretty much gray, black, and white. One cool thing is when I wanted to do the whole dresser thing, the original IKEA Pax shelf that I was looking at had the slide out drawer inserts, but I still had like a lot of, you know, jeans and tops and pajamas and stuff like that. So I was like, it would probably be smart for me to do a tall dresser. And just for reference, I know y'all probably like, dang, Kayla, the dresser is almost as tall as you, because it is. I'm only 4'11", so again, this is a tall dresser. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelving units. Now, my old dresser, I don't know if like I have any videos showing that, but it was actually my mother's dresser from when she was a little girl, so we kept that. It's just in the basement. So, you know, if I have a daughter one day, maybe I'll let her have that too, just to keep it in the family. But I actually took the crystal knobs off of that and put it on this dresser, and it fit perfectly because the original knobs were just silver. But I mean, that was fine honestly, because it still was going to match my bedroom interior. So those were like little customizations that I made to it. And then up here I decided to show all of my perfumes. So these are acrylic stands that I purchased on Amazon, and all of the like accessories that I'm showing you guys I'm going to list in the description box down below for you guys to check out in my Amazon storefront. I love these because even if you don't want to use these for perfume, you definitely can put like, you know, like mini wallets or wristlets on here too. And then I have my acrylic jewelry box. And these are two different acrylic jewelry stands. This is the box itself, and then like this is the separate stand. I like this because you're able to, you know, hang your necklaces, watches, bracelets, and then of course we have the crystal knobs that match my dresser. I thought that was a nice finished touch, and these are just felt in the inside. So showing you guys a little closer, again, I have more acrylic stands. This is one thing I absolutely love. This came in a set of 3, and it actually rotates when you have the other 3 on top of each other because it has a magnet up there. And this is literally just to hold your belts. I know I made a viral little TikTok video and everybody was like, oh my god, I thought these were like CD holders, which I mean, it makes sense because it's round. But I love these, you know, just to display your belts and just to keep them organized, like I said. So if you have 3, just to give you guys an idea, it can rotate. So I just decided to stage it up like this with a belt and a perfume bottle on top. And then moving on to right here, this is one of my favorite additions to my wardrobe wall. Actually 2 pieces right here. So if you want to display a purse or wristlet, you definitely can get these. These are just like acrylic stands. They came in different heights. This is kind of like the medium height version. And then we have a purse stand. Now I love this because this was definitely giving department store. And the really cool thing about it is, one, it's silver, so it matches my bedroom color scheme decor. But you can also get this in gold as well. And I like it because it is adjustable. So if you guys can see that screw right there, you just kind of loosen it up. And you can make this tall if you want to, depending on the bag size. But yes, like when I tell you I absolutely love this, because just look how you can just display your purses. Oh, that's crooked. Like, how adorable is that? Like, it just makes everything look so put together and sophisticated. That's honestly why I got this. I was actually inspired off of like a Pinterest post. Make sure that's not crooked. Boom. I was inspired off a Pinterest post of, you know, how ladies had their purses displayed in their closet. I was like, okay, cool, this will definitely rock. Now another cool addition right here is this sunglass stand. This is also acrylic. I love acrylic stands because, I don't know, like acrylic just goes with literally anything. It just looks so like glam, and I love that. But this is a 3-tier acrylic shade stand, and I have 2 of them. You can buy these in different packs as well. You can also buy like a 4-stack, a 5-stack, you name it. For this case, I just decided to go with 3 and 3. So I have 6 shades displayed right here, and I absolutely love that. And again, just, you know, some more purses and shoes. Now another close-up look of the bookshelf unit. I did adjust the shelves, so you can actually see like on the side, each section pretty much has like adjustable little screws that you can put in right there and right there. I just, you know, kind of adjusted it to the height of whatever I wanted to display. Again, I have shoes down there, a few purses, and I did change these out because it's fall now, so I pretty much, you know, put all my boots up, which is why I love this concept, because whenever you have like really tall boots, like let's go to this side, whenever you have tall boots, you literally can just adjust it to the height to still have them displayed. So I love how that worked out. Now over here, if you guys remember, in my college dorm I had this mannequin. I just decided to bring that to my room as well. This, if you guys remember on like any of my other little videos where I did hair tutorials, this was actually 2 stackable shelving units, and I just decided to lower them down because again they were stackable, and just made like a little corner section of little cubby holes where I just have, you know, a few hats and purses too. Nice little way to display things as well. And really cool concept here is boot inserts. Now I'm obsessed with this. I made a TikTok video on it as well. For all my ladies with tall boots and you want to keep that shape, the inserts that I got on Amazon, you can buy them in different size heights. They are customizable because you can cut them, and you basically just insert them in your boots and your boots will stand up, and I love that. Now these were like really tall. I didn't really feel like it would look as nice inside of the stand, but next to it, it looks really nice. So I love how that turned out too. Alright, so that was everything on my little wardrobe fashion wall. Everything that I talked about will be in the description box down below. And honestly, you guys, this is like my way of showing God and the universe like my gratitude and just how far I've come and accomplished, and just like this is like my way of manifesting what I really cherish to have really soon. Like I just feel in my spirit that I'm going to have the exact walk-in closet that I want like very soon. Like you just know that feeling when you can just make a mini version of it and like build on it, and you just know it's gonna happen for you. This is what this feels like this is what comes to mind for me. So I'm just so excited that I was able to share this with you guys, and I hope that a lot of these pieces and just accessories will help with your wardrobe, or even like your walk-in closet for that matter. So everything will be in my Amazon storefront in the description box down below, including the links to this dresser and bookshelf. So let me know what you guys think about this fashion wardrobe wall in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.